This land is rugged and beautiful, much like the place from which my people originally come.
Yes. We Tauren have always held a great respect for the works of the Earth Mother. There are far worse fates than living freely upon the open plains, young Warchief.
Perhaps. But my people deserve a land to call their own, Cairn.
War Chief, we've spotted a herd of marauders bearing down on us.
Cairn, the Kodos are overburdened and must rest. Why don't you remain here and protect the caravan while we search for a suitable oasis?
Ha! There's no need to coddle me, boy. I may be old, but I'm not helpless.
Let's get on with it. For honor. For honor. Yes. Dabu. Yes.
Assume defensive positions! Lok Tarogar! Let none stand in our way! Where she want me go? Who you want me kill?
I am the War Chief.
Where she want me go? What? No gun.
Dabu.
Hold your formation. The Kodos must be protected.
Let's get on with it.
I shall not catch the Tauren unprepared.
Dabu. Yes.
Master?
Let's get on with it. I am the War Chief.
What you want me to do? No gun. Where she want me go?
Anything for the spirits are restless.
Yes?
The spirits are restless.
Look, Daros! For Doomhammer!
Let's get on with it. For honor.
The Centaur have returned. We're under attack.
For honor.
What you want?
I am the Thrumka warrior. You're from the war song, are you not?
Yes, War Chief. Hellscream sent our party to find you, but we were separated when the horsemen attacked.
Don't worry. We'll find them. For now, drink from the pool. The spirits of this place will replenish your strength.
No gun.
Yes. Dabu. I am the War Chief. Let's get on with it. Let's get on with it. I am the War Chief. Dabu.
For Doomhammer!
The Marauders attack again. Stand and fight, my brethren.
For honor. The spirits are restless.
Loktar! Lokrigar, no gun.
I am the War Chief.
Who you want me to kill? Astingo!
Let's get on with it. The spirits are restless.
What you want? Lokrigar, no gun.
Yes.
Huh? We're under attack! Lokrigar, no gun.
The The spirits are restless.
Look, Naru!
Dabu. None will survive. Your time has come. Let's get on with it. I am the war chief.
Look, Naros!
Hold your formations. The Kodos must be protected.
What you want?
Let's get on with it. The spirits are restless. Yes.
Huh?
I am the war chief. Yes. Dabu.
Master?
Lokrigar Nogal.
For Doomhammer!
None will survive. Let's get on with it. Lokrigar Nogal. For honor. For honor. Yes. The spirits are restless. Dabu. Dabu. For honor. Yes. Yes. For honor. Dabu. I am the war chief. Let's get on.
You want me gone?
The spirits are restless. Lokrigar Nogal.
Hold your formations. The Kodos must be protected.
Get on with it. Lokrigar Nogal.
Yes?
The spirits are restless.
Master?
I am the war chief.
What do you want?
The spirits are restless. Yes. For honor. Dabu.
Hail, War Chief. How may we serve you?
Lokrigar Nogal.
Take your time. Look around.
I am the war chief. The spirits are restless. Yes.
Say the word. Yes?
I am the war chief.
Need something?
Let's get on with it.
Need something?
Hold your formations. The Kodos must be protected.
Let's get on with it. Your time has come. Lokrigar Nogal. For honor. Yes. For honor.
Say the
I
word.
am the war chief.
Come, sisters. It's been too long since we feasted on Outlander flesh.
I wouldn't advise it, ladies. Once my wolf riders bring you to the ground, you'll have little chance against us.
Need something? But right.
Lokrigar Nogal.
Say the word.
I am the war chief. Let's get on with it.
Yes, chieftain.
The spirits are restless. Lokrigar Nogal. Dabu.
Hold your formations. The Kodos must be protected.
The war chief. The spirits are restless. Let's get on with it. For honor. Yes. Ah, the oasis at last. What's on catapults? Those could be useful. Lokrigar Nogal. I am the war chief, Dabu. The spirits are restless. Let's get on with it.
Hold your formations. The Kodos must be protected.
Huh? Zug-zug.
The spirits are restless. Dabu.
We're under attack!
Lokrigar Nokal. For honor. Let's get on with it. I am the war chief. Yes. The spirits are restless. Let's get on with it. I am the war chief. Lokrigar Nokal. For honor. Lokrigar Nokal.
Hold your formations. The Kodos must be protected.
Say the word.
I am the war chief. Let's get on with it.
Need something? Let's ride!
Lokrigar Nokal. Yes. Let's get on with it. I am the war chief. The spirits are restless. Dabu. For honor. Let's get on with it.
Yes, chieftain!
The spirits are restless.
Say the
I am
word.
the war chief. Lokrigar Nokal. Dabu. Lokrigar Nokal.
Hold your formations. The Kodos must be protected. This pass leads straight to Mulgore. But I fear the caravan will be overrun before it reaches the other side.
Restless.
Your time has come.
Yes.
Lokrigar Nokal.
Let's get on with it. The spirits are restless. For honor. Dabu. I am the war chief. Let's get on with it. Yes. Ah, the oasis at last.
Hold your formations. The Kodos must be protected.
Cairn! The caravan will never make it in time!
Let the fury of the Earth Mother deal with these wretches as they deserve. They will trouble us no more. And you, young war chief, are free to continue your quest.
To the Oracle. What is it?
Legends say that it saw the strands of fate as they were woven by the Earth Mother. It alone can show you your destiny.
Where will I find it?
Far to the north, near the shadowy base of Mount Hyjal, lies Stone Talon Peak. You will find the Oracle within the peak's hollow. I will send my finest Kodos to aid you in your journey.
Thank you, Cairn. I will not forget you.
Go with honor, young war chief. May the Earth Mother smile upon you.